Hi, I'm Taksh. I was born a boy, but now I'm a 23-year-old woman.
मेरे ऑफिस में या मेरे इन-लॉज से किसी को इसके बारे में नहीं पता, तो इसकी मुझे कभी ज़रूरत ही नहीं लगी. आई एम लीगली मैरिड नाउ.
Even when you're really, really young, thinking of myself as a woman was the most natural thing ever.
But as a child, we do not know those terms, and even I, as a child, did not know what is wrong with me, because I knew that physically I'm a guy, but female feelings अंदर से क्यों हैं?
Sex is what we are, what our body is. Gender is what your mind tells you. It's an innate personal sense of being male or female. But in certain individuals, it may not be in alignment. And these individuals start feeling very early, at age of 3 to 4 years, that they are born in the wrong body.
So my early childhood was actually pretty cool. They always just let me play however I wanted to play.
Mama, let's play. I'm a girl, my name is Miss Daisy.
And that sort of extended onto, me just like running around, wrapping myself in like chunnis, putting on, like I still remember my mom had like this pair of strappy red heels. So yeah, when I was younger, all of that was pretty okay. I think they thought it was really cute.
बचपन सबका यादगार दिन होता है, मेरा यादगार नहीं रहा था. And I always wanted to suicide as I was growing up. क्योंकि लोग नहीं समझते थे और समझना भी नहीं चाहते थे. Even though I was a guy physically, but मेरी हरकतें बहुत feminine थी. तो लोग मुझे गे, छक्का, हिजड़ा, करण जौहर और क्या नहीं बोलते थे. मेरा बचपन ऐसे रहा कि मैं घर से बाहर निकलना मैंने बंद कर दिया था. मेरे कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं बने थे.
I'd enter the classroom and the kids would start screaming gay, 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 like just all the way from the back.
She was in 9th standard, I think. And I still remember I was watching a movie on TV and she comes to my room and says, Mama, I have something to discuss with you. I said, okay, go ahead. So I think I am gay. I said, okay, अब आगे से हट जा, मुझे movie देखने दे. So it's like, Mama, I've just told you something very important. I said, okay, so like, what's the big deal about it?
Before puberty hit, I kind of never really thought of my body as being something that I was like trapped in or unhappy with. But once puberty started to come about, I despised having hair on my body.
Around 18, she was, I want to modify my body. I don't like this body. She put it into words that I don't like being what I am, and if I can't be what I want to be, then I would rather not live.
I had to quit my studies. मैंने ग्रेटर नोएडा में एडमिशन लिया था इंजीनियरिंग के लिए, और मुझे सेकेंड ईयर में छोड़ना पड़ा था बिकॉज उस वक्त मैं लड़का थी. तो बॉयज़ हॉस्टल में मेरा एडमिशन हुआ था, बट मेरी जो हरकतें थी ऐसा लाइक फेमिनाइन थी, वैक्स करके रखना, अगेन सेक्सुअल अब्यूज, लोगों के कमेंट्स, फ्रेंड्स नहीं बनते थे, डिप्रेशन, ऊपर से पढ़ाई उस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुका था. मेरा जेंडर डिस्फोरिया है एंड आई वांटेड टू सुसाइड दैट टाइम. बचपन में हर बच्चे का एक होता है, पहले सोन परी, शाका लाका बम बम, ये सारे मैजिकल सीरीज आते थे. तो मुझे लगता है कि गॉड कैन नॉट बी सो अनजस्ट. तो उसमें मैंने क्या सोचा कि आज नहीं तो कल कुछ तो जादू होगा कि आई विल बी माई सेल्फ.
When I first found out what a transgender woman was, I think that I felt like this insane amount of peace, I knew that I wasn't some dirty thing or like a slur. I knew that what I was dignified and could lead like a long life.
I was around 18 when I left my studies and I decided to start my transition. When I told my parents, because I was the single son, so my mom dad never wanted me to go for it, and they always contradicted and they said कि हम नहीं करेंगे, हम तुम्हें कोई help नहीं करेंगे. And I was dependent on my parents financially then. So monthly I would say 15-20 days I never used to have anything. Like I used to starve just to do savings. So I started working in a call center to fund my transition and for my livelihood.
It is never easy.
I took some time to understand and even accept why. I had no problem having 2 daughters. That was never an issue. But why should a child go through so much of pain, physical and mental?
I was quite clear in my mind that this is what is required for getting the child's dysphoria removed.
It's not a magical journey, but a medical process that takes time, years and years to change the body. So firstly, we have to undergo through the psychiatric counseling. Once we get an approval from the psychiatrist, then a hormone treatment so that it can change maybe the voice, skin or face or body. So it takes a lot of time, and the surgery is the last step actually.
The whole procedure is, obviously it's a very costly procedure. So the first thing that you need to do if you want to pursue surgery and hormone replacement as a transgender individual, it's you need to get like your clearance from your endocrinologist, your therapist.
Is the person ready? Are they in a stable mental condition? Because we do not see gender dysphoria as a disease or an illness. Some of the younger kids may actually look at sexual orientation as something which is akin to gender, but it is not. So to first of all determine that, whether there is an incongruence in their actual identity in terms of gender. The third thing that we look for is what are they seeking really? Because sex reassignment surgery is not the only way that people go.
On the day when I was supposed to get admitted in the hospital, so I was very excited, very happy. मैं hospital गई, makeup किया हुआ था, because मुझे कोई बीमारी थोड़ी ना थी, बस एक surgery तो होनी थी. तो मैं जाके लेट गई बेड पे, मजाक मस्ती हंसते हंसते. तो अगल बगल के लोग घूर रहे हैं. तो बगल में एक दादी जी थी, पूछती हैं कि जो है बेटा हुआ क्या है, ये इतना हंस क्यों रही है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्या?
It was horrifying. Like, it was a 6-hour-long procedure. When the anesthesia finally wore off and I started feeling pain, I was just excited. So like the shaft of the penis becomes the vaginal cavity. They take out your testes. The scrotal skin becomes, the folds of the vagina and all of that. So they kind of just like feng shui your downstairs furniture is what like I say to all of my friends.
In male to female surgeries, there are two things important. One is the breast, the development of breast, and second is the removal of penis and creation of a vagina, clitoris and new urethral orifice. In female to male surgery, generally 3 operations are done. The first operation is reduction of breast, and the second operation is removal of female internal organs and bringing urethra to a more advanced position. And in the third surgery, we create the penis and the scrotum. These surgeries are obviously staged because there are 3 operations, and we try to give a gap of around 3 months between operations so patient has a good recovery.
I'm legally married now, and I met my husband on Facebook. Nobody knew about my past or anything, but he actually loved me after when I told him. It was a shock for him, obviously. मेरे ऑफिस में या मेरे in-laws या किसी को इसके बारे में नहीं पता था, इसकी मुझे कभी जरूरत ही नहीं लगी. Why would I tell? It is something very personal to me. So we got married and we are happy. लोगों को ये भी लगता है कि I can't have a normal sexual life or a normal relationship, which is again a myth. I just feel it the same way as any other woman would feel.
A vagina that's constructed is practically undetectable from that of like a woman who was born with it. Getting my documentation changed was not easy. It almost felt like we were doing something wrong, which we weren't.
जो हम राइट्स की बात करते हैं वो एक डॉक्यूमेंट से ही स्टार्ट होती है. सिम लेना है, लोन लेना है, जॉब मिलना है, तो you see at every step I have to produce an ID card because socially I was living a female, but मेरी सर्जरी नहीं हुई थी. मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स मेल के थे. मैंने अपना नाम और जेंडर चेंज करने की कोशिश की थी, बट गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैड द पॉलिसी जब तक सर्जरी नहीं होगी तब तक हम आपको फीमेल कैटेगरी नहीं देंगे. एंड मैं सर्जरी करवाना चाहती थी, बट फाइनेंशियली बहुत वीक थी, तो आई कुड नॉट अफोर्ड द सर्जरी. बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट गवर्नमेंट विल लेट मी सफर, बट दैट्स व्हाट एक्चुअली दे डिड. सो देन आई डिसाइडेड टू फाइट, नॉट जस्ट फॉर माई सेल्फ, because policies change only, it will help millions of the transgender people, and I was the first one to get my name and gender changed without the surgery.
Trans people are not different from the general society. They are a subset of the society. It is high time that the society looks at this subset and accepts them for what they are and give them all rights and opportunities that are bestowed on them by the Constitution of India.